Hi everyone, it's Natalie from Fabricland. I'd like to introduce you to our elves. We've made Elf on the Shelf for you. Like all people, one wants to look underneath what they're wearing, and you can see they're beautifully done. They've all got different expressions. If I was to make mine, I would make mine drunk, but you do whatever you like. This is for you, the Elf on the Shelf. Go ahead, Max.
Okay, so if you buy the kit, it comes with all the instructions and the pattern pieces to do this. Okay, so you can make 2 or 3 out of this. Okay, we've also got lots of other things. We've got fat quarters, and these fat quarters are what used in the pack. We've also got glitter felt squares, normal felt squares in lots of colours if you want to make Christmas decorations. We've also just had in these lovely pinking shears that are $6.99 a pair, ideal for doing all your Christmas crafts. We've got jingly bells in lots of colours and some Christmas motifs.
Motifs look great on things, don't they? Look,
Yes.
You can just Christmas it up.
Yes.
Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.
Say goodbye, elves.